Hi guys, I'm gonna be opening a really weird pig squishy I found. It's called a pool. It's a pool porcelain before. This is the front. So I'm gonna be opening this. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna do tests. Stretchy this and squeeze this and yeah, I don't know what else.
Oh, you ripped the box.
I mean, like, I have a stitch one, but this is like really weird. Like with the head. This one's stretchy.
Emily, you know you can't make videos with our family out loud.
And this is like so. Bro, the house is. It's so funny, guys. It's really good. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this strange pig-like thingy. So I hope you. So please subscribe if you like this video. I have a bunch more videos on my channel, so I hope you like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this video. So bye, guys.